Hello, I'm here on beautiful Cape Cod, Massachusetts. I'm on the National Seashore and we're camping here. Right behind the campground is this wonderful bike path, and I like to come down here in the morning and do a little breathing with nature, with the trees, with the plants. So if you'd like to join me, let's take some deep breaths. Just in through the nose, filling your lungs, and slowly out through the mouth. So here we go. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more. Breathe in, breathe out. Beautiful. I hope you take time in the middle of the day just to check out and hang out with nature. It'll do you wonders. And don't forget to breathe. From my heart to yours, I love you. Namaste.